Gala Games was established in 2018 by Eric Skiermeyer, the fellow benefactor of the game's designer Zynga, along with crypto excavator Wright Thurston and Michael McCarthy, the imaginative chief behind viral games like Farmville. Their pronounced point was to make web-based gaming more decentralized, and they meant to focus on a wide assortment of gamers who needed to meaningfully impact the status quo done in the gaming scene. The presentation of non-fungible tokens into the Gala Games biological system was the most important move towards making gaming more decentralized, as well as assisting players with taking responsibility for game things. NFTs can be gathered, exchanged, and sold inside their own game as well as all through the total of the Gala Games environment. To accomplish its expressed objective, Gala Games has laid out a blockchain network controlled by Gala Token. The framework is based on the Ethereum blockchain, and Gala tokens are adaptable between clients who have full command over how to utilize them. Gala cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a sign of future outcomes, realizing the Gala value history can assist with giving us some unique circumstance if we have any desire to either decipher a Gala value expectation or make one of our own. The Gala token began to build up some decent forward momentum in September 2021, subsequent to being recorded on the Binance and Buybox crypto trade stages around mid-month. Its value flooded to 11 cents on the 23rd of September 2021, up a greater number of than 500 crease from its past all-time low of $0 the 28th of December 2020. After updates to Gala Games stock, which made moving things from inside the stage's environment to Ethereum a lot simpler, as well as the marking of a notice of understanding between Gala Games and Wim8tree, the Gala crypto cost moved sideways all through October and mid-November 2021. News on the 15th of November 2021 that the organization would deliver its initially restricted supply of Game Hub licenses for Townstar helped the Gala token triple, up from 13 cents on the 15th of November 2021 to 37 cents 7 days after the fact. The Symbolics value figured out how to keep a consistent development pace and flooded to 71 cents. Still its unequaled high. By the 28th of November 2021, after the declaration of the arrival of another series of its Vox NFTs, Andy Lyon, seed in Asia of Big on Trade, told, the flood in Gala token is chiefly because of the interest in metaverse and gaming tokens around the world. Its organizers have done well in gaming and crypto mining. This turns into an additional benefit. The Symbolic itself depends on Ethereum and is all around upheld by the local area of devoted financial backers. Adding steam to the entire condition is that they are recorded on the majority of the main trades, including Binance, FTX, Coinbase, Bybit, Huobi, and KuCoin. Achievement, in any case, didn't keep going long for the Gala Games crypto, regardless of the general promotion encompassing play to procure stages, which passed a record $1 billion in NFT exchanging volumes November, as per information distributed by DApp Radar. Between its untouched high toward the finish of November and the 3rd of December 2021, the Symbolic's worth dropped by 29% to 51 cents. The Gala Games token forged ahead with a descending pattern over the next month until it came to 18 cents on the 22nd of January 2022, regardless of protecting a $100 M blockchain gaming store and organization with C2 Adventures and getting ready for the send-off of Stage 2 of the hub's environment toward the beginning of January. Present status of play in Galaverse since the 15th of February 2022, the Gala crypto cost has been falling, in spite of supports from any semblance of Sneak Home Slice and Paris Hilton. On the 12th of May 2022, after the depegging of the US stablecoin and the breakdown of the related Luna digital currency, Gala tumbled to a low of 4 cents. From that point forward, it made a big deal about a recuperation, coming to 7 cents on the 13th of August prior to falling down again to a low of 3 cents on the 21st of October. A blend of the report about Skag's recruiting, developing interest in front of the send-off of Arachnid tanks, following which it arrived at a high of 4 cents on the 31st of October. From that point forward, however, one single wallet seemed to mint more than $1 billion worth of Gala out of the blue, inciting fears of a mat draw. While Gala Games moved to console financial backers, tweeting that their framework was not hacked, penetrated, or took advantage of in any capacity. As P-Network, the framework which permitted Gala to work on the BNB chain, previously known as Binance Savvy Chain, guaranteed it had done a purported white hack assault to check how safe the stage was. The value imploded to 2 cents on the 3rd of November, before it recuperated to some degree to around 34 cents on the 4th of November. Around then, there were 6.98 billion Gala available for use out of an all-out supply of a little more than 35 billion. This gave it a market cap of around $243 M, making it the 131st biggest crypto by that measurement. Toward the beginning of June 2022, the stage facilitated Galaverse, a vivid world encounter for every last one of its games, in Malta. As per the Hours of Malta, rappers Sneak Homeboy, Ice 3D shape, E40 and excessively short showed up at the occasion through a kept message wherein they presented their new supergroup, Mount Westmore, with the metaverse arrival of their presentation collection Terrible MS. As the Gala token was based on the Ethereum organization, it intensely depends on ETH's presentation, making it very unpredictable. Additionally, the token could begin confronting rivalry as pressures ascend in the gaming NFT space in the midst of their developing fame. Invez information expert Dan notwithstanding, he likewise noticed that there could be more brilliant times ahead for the Gala token. Gala, the local area drove gaming stage, spiked 20% in 24 hours toward the beginning of February following the news that Galaverse will happen in June. At the last occasion last December, various tasks were sent off, and there is hypothesis more will be declared this June. 20% addresses an immense leap for simply an occasion, and markets have pulled the symbolic back underneath levels even before the declaration. Gala prior reported a $5 billion venture to grow their NFTs, and in the event that or the Galaverse don't sort out, this token could keep on tumbling. If, nonetheless, projects stay on target and Galaverse doesn't frustrate, Gala could transcend a $3.5 billion market cap. The record-breaking highs of $5 billion set last November appear to be a range. Gala cost forecasts. Allow us now to take a gander at a portion of the Gala cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 4th of November 2022. Cost figures, particularly for something as possibly unstable as digital money, are many times wrong. Likewise, long-haul value expectations are many times made utilizing a calculation, and that implies they can change immediately. Had a Gala cost forecast for 2022 that said the token could close the year at 25 cents. By the 4th of November 2023, the site said that Gala might actually tumble to exchange at about 33 cents, prior to moving to 72 cents a year after that. On the 4th of November 2025, Gala could be worth about $1.21 before conceivably exchanging at $1.79 per year from that point and possibly coming to $2.47 on the 4th of November 2027. It made a Gala crypto cost forecast that saw the token possibly worth 3 cents in December 2022, preceding arriving at a potential 5 cents in November 1 year from now. A year from that point, said Gala could move to 7 cents, prior to making a Gala cost expectation for 2025 that saw it possibly reach 15 cents by November that year. By November 2026, the site contended that the token could keep on ascending to 26 cents before possibly shutting the year at 29 cents. Had a Gala token cost expectation which contended it could exchange at 3 cents in January 2023, possibly proceeding to be valued at 5 cents in November 2023. By 2025, the site said, Gala could be worth about 15 cents, yet there could be a significant drop by November 2027, when it very well may be down to 8 cents. The site then, at that point, proceeded to make a Gala cost expectation for 2030 of 39 cents, prior to recommending that it could get to 79 cents in 2040. At last, struck an undeniably more negative note in its Gala cost conjecture, saying that the token could be in